Hello class 6th. Welcome to the English International School, Alot. I hope that you are well at your home. In today's class, we are going to discuss about number system. We are going to discuss some important things. The first one is difference between place value and face value. The second one, relationship between the Indian and the international system of numerations. Number third, comparing numbers. Number four, estimation to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands. Number five, basic operations on numbers, and the last one, Roman numerals and the rules to be followed for their formation. So students, let's start. First of all, we are going to discuss the number system. What is a number system? As we said that we have a number like that, 7434. This is a number. As you see, this is the unit. What is this? This is the unit. As we said, this is the ones place. What is this? This is ones place. Okay, and this is tens place. Tens place. Clear? And guess what is it? This is 100 place. This is 100 place. Okay, and the last one, this is thousands place. Thousands place. Clear? When we are write in we are going to write it in detailed form. Let's do it again. 7434. I can write the 7 in thousands form. Clear students? And हमारा जो 4 है, हम इसको 100 वाली फॉर्म में इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, एंड 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं टेंस वाली फॉर्म में, और जो हमारा 4 है उसको हम यूनिट यानी कि वंस वाली फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. तो कहने का जो मतलब है, जो व्हाट आई मीन टू से दैट जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें टोटल वैल्यू क्या मिलने वाली है, यही मिलने वाली है. एक्सरसाइज 1.1 में जो आपको पहला क्वेश्चन मिलेगा वो कुछ इस तरह से ही होगा. द सेकेंड वन इज राइट द नंबर नेम्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग न्यूमरल्स. Number names of following numerals. Suppose that we are having that number 490652. You are going to write that. आपको इसको किस तरह से लिखना है? ये आपका कौन सा है? वंस है, ठीक है. ये आपका टेंस है, ये आपका हंड्रेड्स है, हंड्रेड्स प्लेस है, ये आपका थाउजेंड्स प्लेस है, ये आपका थाउजेंड के बाद क्या आता है? 10,000. 10,000 प्लेस के बाद आपको क्या लिख देना है? लैक्स. क्लियर? लैक्स. तो ये जो आपका यूनिट है वो हो जाएगा वंस, ये हो जाएगा टेंस, एंड दिस इज 100 प्लेस, दिस इज थाउजेंड्स प्लेस, दिस इज 10,000 प्लेस, एंड दैट इज lakhs place. When you are going to write it, it is 4,90,652. You should write it in number names. Okay students? The question number 3 is Write the numerals for the given number names. 7,76,404. 7 lakh like that. 7,76,000. जैसा वो आपको बुक के अंदर इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहा है आप उसको सेम इट इज़ लिखते जाइए. 76,404. This is your answer. You should complete all the questions like that. उनको आराम से पढ़िएगा और आराम से लिखिएगा. There is no problem in number system. Okay, students. The question number 4 is write the largest possible number using the given number. फोर्थ जो हम आ चुके हैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में 2, 7, 5 और 9. This is your 4 numbers. So find out the biggest number. This is 9 and second biggest number 7 and third one biggest number is 5 and the last number is remaining number is 2. So it is the biggest number, largest possible number. Okay student, हमें सिर्फ इन नंबर्स को ओनली वन टाइम यूज़ करना है. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल और बता देता हूँ. बी जो हमारा ऑप्शन है 3, 6, 0, 8 and 2. Let do it in your homework copy. What will be the answer? Okay students, you should solve it. Okay students, we are going to solve question number 5. Write the smallest possible number using given digits only once. So 1, 5, 8 and 2 and 2. First of all, search the smallest number among these numbers. As you can see, 1 is the smallest number. And now find out the second smallest number is 2. Third smallest number 5 and the last one is 8. So 1258 is the smallest possible number using given digits. Okay students, so क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का जो आगे का मैटर है वो आपको सॉल्व करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है फाइंड द सम ऑफ द प्लेस वैल्यूज ऑफ 6 इन 60363. 60363. So what is the place value of this 6? Tens. And what is the place value of this 6? 6 in thousands place. Clear students? So this is the revision of your previous class. In next class we are going to continue our chapter number system with new introduction and on the 6th level. So students, this is your homework that you should complete exercise 1.1. We will check it on 6 o'clock evening. You should submit your copies at the WhatsApp group on the time 6 o'clock to 7:30 o'clock at evening. Okay students, till that best of luck and take care. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.